Hello and welcome! Grafana Champion is here. My name is Daria Volkova, and this channel helps utilize Grafana to its full potential. Today, I continue talking about the Business Suite for Grafana. It is a collection of open-source plugins designed to streamline business application development in Grafana. As of now, the Business Suite consists of 9 plugins. In this video, I cover the Business Text Panel, Business News Data Source, and Business Satellite Data Source. I will explain what those plugins do and share the best way to start with them. In the following video, I will cover the rest of the plugins. Are you ready? Let's go! As I mentioned, the Business Suite is a collection of open-source plugins. Volkov Labs supports and maintains all of them. We are always happy to hear your thoughts on our work. Ask away in the comment section to any of our YouTube videos or GitHub repository. I start my review today with the Business Text Panel. With this plugin, you can apply web design concepts to your Grafana dashboard. Here are just some quick examples. Instead of displaying devices in a table, you can create device profile cards that highlight all essential data points, such as their online/offline statuses and others. For the next example, I have dynamic profile cards with links to other resources. Here, where a mouse hovers, I have a 3D effect that switches to a contact form where a user can enter their name, email, message, and click the Done button to submit the form. So you can create designs of any complexity and style. To try it yourself, you can search for free HTML, CSS examples and simply copy and paste them into the plugin options. HTML goes into the content editor and CSS goes into the style editor. If you see this error, the query did not return any results. You can use the business input data source to create any dummy data frame. That's all. The design of your choosing is on your Grafana dashboard. Web design capabilities are just the tip of the iceberg. All plugin glory comes with the external JavaScript library feature. In the content parameter, you can import any external JavaScript library and then work with it directly. That functionality makes the epic return of the flowchart possible. In this example, I imported the flowcharts library and then specified the familiar commands right here to build the flowchart I needed. In our documentation, in addition to flowchart import, we have many other examples, such as Plotly, Mermaid, Chart.js, and many others. Feel free to learn from there. The Business Text plugin surprises us the most with the use cases that the users share with us. If you have anything interesting and would like the world to be amazed, please send it our way. We will find the best way to tell the world about your achievements. Every plugin from our Business Suite collection has unique functionality, but most importantly, plugins can work in various combinations and provide you with the complete solutions. For instance, the Business News Data Source perfectly integrates with the Business Text plugin. So the Business News Data Source brings RSS ATOM feeds to your Grafana, and the Business Text is the perfect companion to display them using web design. In this example, I have 5 different news feeds: Volkov Labs YouTube channel, the National Vulnerability Database, news from Grafana Cloud, Grafana blog, and Bitcoin news. Here, I also added our other plugin, Business Variable, to switch between Grafana and news channels. You can start playing with the Business News Data Source and Business Text plugin on our demo server. Go into any panel's edit mode and see how we configured them. Ask any questions in the comment section below. The last plugin for today's review is the Business Satellite Data Source. With the Business Satellite Data Source, you can access the central Grafana repository, which is the database where Grafana stores all its settings, dashboard metadata, alerts, annotations, etc. You can access either local Grafana or any remote Grafana, or combine data from multiple remote Grafanas in one place. Here I have a dashboard where I display multiple Grafana statuses and versions. This is an easy way to control your Grafana fleet. The best way to start with this data source is to install it, connect it to any visualization, and review this request parameter. These are all available requests. We can add more if your use case requires them. From there, you can use any visualization panel to display the required data. In this example, I use the business text to display each Grafana from my fleet in an HTML, CSS, profile cards. Green indicates the OK status and red indicates an error. I have the site name and brief description followed by the Grafana version. On the right, I display the required statistics, and here I have an action button that will open the selected Grafana for further investigation if needed. Volkov Labs actively supports and maintains all these plugins by doing the following. Ensure that the latest plugin versions are always compatible with the latest Grafana release, helping the community with the GitHub requests, answering questions posted under our YouTube videos, keeping the plugin documentation up to date, post blogs with detailed instructions for the most sought-after use cases, and share functional solutions with code snippets. We're here to help you build more and build better with Grafana. It is all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.